Hey everyone, it's Jazzy, the Clubbed Thumbs Crafter. In today's video, we're going to put together a Japanese earring kit and see if it earns the Jazzy 2 Club Thumbs Up. Here I'm opening the package, taking all the contents out, and as you can see, everything is really nicely organized and individually packaged. All of the instructions are in Japanese, which I do not read. However, it is clearly illustrated, so I'm going to follow the illustrations and put this kit together. The first set of illustrations that I come upon is basic jewelry making instructions, which I already know how to do, so I'm going to set this aside. Here I'm previewing all of the steps 1 through 7. It looks pretty simple. Let's get started. I'm taking all of the packaging apart, and there's 7 little individual packages, 1 package for each of the 7 steps. Step 1 is showing that I need to mix some crushed abalone shell in a clear layer of resin in the silicone ring mold. And step 2 shows to mix some black pigment powder in resin and make a second layer. This is a cute little ring mold. It's about a size 2, so it's perfect for making earrings. The abalone shell pieces are a little bit too big for the mold, so I'm going to take scissors and cut them into smaller pieces. Now it's time to add the first layer of resin and the abalone shell pieces. After I fill the mold with the shell pieces, I'm going to cure it under the UV lamp 90 seconds on each side. Now it's time to open the black pigment powder. It's a really fine filament, and I want to be really careful with this so I don't spill it everywhere. I'm going to mix it with my UV resin until it's really nice and moistened. Once the black pigment powder is mixed really well with the resin, it's time to add a layer to the ring mold. And then under the UV lamp for another 90 seconds. Time to demold the first earring. Wow, I really like how this turned out. The instructions show to dome the front side of the earring, so that's what I'm going to do now, and then I'll cure it again for another 90 seconds. The next step shows to add a little bit of resin to the inside of the ring that we just made, and then to add the first pearl, and then cure that under the UV lamp. Step 6 is showing that we should take the earring pad and adhere it halfway on the pearl and halfway on the back of the earring that we just made by using UV resin and curing it. After I took it out from under the UV lamp, I decided I wanted to dome the back of the earring as well, so that's what you can see here. So now I'm on to step 7, which is the last step. Here we're going to take the oval-shaped jump rings that were provided, link them together, and then attach them to the earring clutch, which is what holds the earring to the back of your ear. And then we're also going to take an oval jump ring and add a cute little crystal dangle to the big silver ring that was provided in the kit. So these earrings can be worn two ways. You can wear them with the big silver loop with the crystal dangle, or take that off and use your own earring clutch from another pair of earrings and just wear the abalone part with the pearl. I'll be right back. I'm going to go make the second earring and then I'll show you what the completed set looks like. Here's the finished pair of earrings. I really love how these turned out. So now for the big finale. Is this kit Jazzy 2 Clubbed Thumbs Up approved? It absolutely is. Oh, and yeah, there was enough extra components to make this little thing, which I think I'm going to use for a pendant, and I added my own pearl. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and please hit the bell notification so you'll always know when we upload new videos. Thanks for watching.